Do these 3 things daily, and you'll never be broke again. Being broke isn't just about not having money. It's about habits, decisions, and the daily actions that either make you rich or keep you stuck. Do these 3 things every single day, and I promise you'll never stay broke again. 1. Track every naira, dollar, or kobo. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll always wonder why it's gone. Wealthy people track their money daily, not weekly, not monthly, daily. Every expense, every earning, every transfer. You'll be shocked how much you waste on things that add no value to your life. Because what gets measured, gets managed. 2. Feed your mind before you feed your body. Before breakfast, feed your brain. 1 page, 1 video, 1 podcast, every day. Money doesn't just come from working harder. It comes from thinking smarter. You need to learn how money works, how investing works, how the wealthy move differently. And here's the truth. You're one mindset shift away from changing your entire financial future. 3. Build or market, something that pays you back. Every single day, do something that brings you money, even if it's small. Post a product, send a message, promote a service, create content. The broke spend their days consuming. The wealthy spend their days creating or connecting. Even if it doesn't pay you immediately, do it daily, and you'll plant seeds that grow into income streams. Do these 3 daily. No excuses. Track your money, feed your mind, create or promote value. If you do these 3 things daily, you won't stay broke. It's impossible. Because wealth doesn't happen by chance, it happens by choice. Your choice. This is Mr. Impact. If you're ready to build real wealth, not just dream about it, subscribe now. Because we're not just talking, we're taking action.